Keyboard shortcuts have got to be the absolute smartest things ever invented for getting work done. Way before all this talk about AI making life easier, we have these classic built-in commands keeping us moving. Of course, Windows PCs and Macs don't share the same layout, so for the Apple users out there, here are the best shortcuts to speed up your day. Let's see what we've got in this video. To kick things off, whenever we open a menu option, such as the File menu, we can see specialized symbols listed right on the right side of the clickable menu items. These markings tell us exactly which keys to press to perform that exact action without moving our hand to the trackpad. Because these native menu shortcuts vary depending on the specific program you are running at the time, checking these drop-down lists is the best way to discover new commands as you work. Naturally, the absolute best place to start practicing is with the core commands that handle text and basic file manipulation across your operating system. When we want to copy a specific word, an entire sentence, or even a local image file to our clipboard, we just highlight the item and hit Command-C. From there, we can navigate directly to our target document or destination app, click into the active text field, and press Command-V to paste the asset. Now, if something goes wrong or a paragraph lands in the wrong spot, we can easily reverse the mistake by hitting Command-Z to undo our last action instantly. Building on those core basics, sometimes pasting text from the web ruins our document structure. To fix this common headache, we can use the advanced combination Option-Shift-Command-V, which strips out external formatting and forces the pasted text to match the destination style perfectly. Once we finish typing up our notes or working inside a specific application, we can close the program entirely, hit Command-Q to quit the active application and free up our system memory. Moving beyond single applications, navigating between all of your open windows can get pretty chaotic when you are working on big projects. To stay organized, we can effortlessly cycle through every single running program on our system by holding down the Command key and tapping the Tab key. While keeping our thumb firmly on the Command key, each additional tap of the Tab key moves our selection to the next application in line. The moment we release the Command key, the highlighted application opens right up on our monitor, making multitasking incredibly fluid. Similarly, capturing information visually is an essential part of documenting our work, and macOS has a brilliant utility built right in for this. By pressing Shift-Command-5, we immediately open up the Advanced Screenshot app, which gives us tools to capture the entire display, record live screen video, or crop a specific window. Every file we capture through this interface is saved directly to our desktop by default, keeping our media highly accessible. If our screen gets cluttered with too many open folders, we can tap Command-H to hide all active windows for the current application, clearing our field of view without closing our progress. To find those hidden apps or stray files later, we can rely on a powerful native search tool without ever digging through our storage folders. Pressing Command Spacebar instantly opens up the Spotlight search bar right in the middle of our desktop, allowing us to type a search phrase to locate local documents, pull up apps, or scan web information. While browsing through these search results or navigating the standard Finder, we can preview media by selecting a file and tapping the spacebar to trigger Quick Look. This lets us scroll through multi-page documents instantly, and tapping the spacebar a second time closes the preview just as fast. Furthermore, editing digital documents often requires quick tools for language definition and creative expression without leaving our workspace. If we run into an unfamiliar word while reading an article or checking a report, we can simply hover our mouse pointer directly over the text and press Control-Command-D. This action immediately pulls up the native dictionary definition to give us instant clarity on what that word means. Additionally, if we want to add a bit of personality to our messages or documents, pressing Control-Command-Spacebar brings up the character viewer, letting us select and insert emojis like a cactus or various symbols on the fly. In addition to those editing tools, getting stuck or lost inside an unfamiliar application can slow us down, but built-in guidance is always just a quick keystroke away. Pressing Shift-Command ? will instantly open the Help menu for whichever application is active, providing direct access to user guides and searchable topics. Now, when it comes to web browsing, we can dramatically speed up our research sessions inside Safari by using dedicated tab controls. Instead of cluttering our desktop with multiple browser windows, hitting Command-T opens a clean new tab, while pressing Command-W closes the current tab or window immediately. If we encounter a web page or text document with tiny fonts that strain our eyes, we can fix the issue by holding Command and hitting the plus sign to zoom in. This command can be pressed multiple times to increase text size, and we can easily reverse the effect by holding Command and pressing the minus sign to zoom back out. By pressing Option Command F5, we immediately open up the Global Accessibility Shortcuts panel right over our workspace. From this single menu, we can instantly toggle visual filters, adjust motor controls, or activate features like VoiceOver, which reads aloud descriptions of on-screen items to assist with keyboard-only navigation. Once we check or uncheck our desired system modifications, we just click the Done button to save our settings and continue working efficiently. Alright guys, mastering these native Mac keyboard shortcuts is the absolute fastest way to streamline your daily workflow and reclaim valuable time. Try mixing a few of these commands into your routine today and watch your productivity soar. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.